Say happy.
Happy.
Thank you. Can you say baby?
Baby.
Can you say apple?
Apple.
Can you say mama?
Ball.
Can you say dada?
Dada.
Can you say ball?
Ball.
Can you say happy?
Happy.
Can you say yaya?
Dada.
Can you say papa? Can you say nanny? Can you say nanny? Can you say baby? Thank you. A. You're done? No more makeup? Here's your jewelry. There's your jewelry. What happened to your bracelet? Where'd your bracelet go? Beautiful. Hey, put your hands on your head. Hands on your head. Do your dance, do your dance, do your dance.